So today we're going to talk about these projects that you're going to start presenting tomorrow. Today you get to work in the lab all day, but tomorrow, Tuesday, November the 8th, is going to be our first day of watching people do their presentations of their projects. Hopefully you've gone over the explanation sheets. I've posted a video about how to get your projects together and explaining what the assignment is. We've worked on it in class now 3 times. Today will be day number 4. So I'm really hoping that you guys are prepared and ready to go, especially since it's weighted so heavily with 200 points attached to it. Here's the rubric again. You've gotten this already in a hardcover sheet, but I wanted to make sure that you had it in a video as well. So let's take a look at the rubric once more so you see how you're going to be graded. Whoops. All right. So first of all, did you know and understand the theme or topic of the chapter of your novel? So make sure that it's clear, it's obvious what your chapter topic or your chapter theme was about so that you can start your presentation talking about that a little bit and then talking about what specifically you pulled out of your chapter that you wanted to do research on and develop a unique, creative, engaging project on that topic so that you could share it with all of us. Another thing that you're going to be graded on is the development of an idea for the project. Like, what kind of an idea did you come up with? That's why I tried to go around and talk to you one-on-one, or I told you to talk to me if you had questions or wanted to play ideas off of me. You know, what was your concept? What project did you come up with? If you look at the box here where you can get a perfect score, it says the concept for the student's project and presentation was creative and unique, and it went extremely well with the theme that they were presenting. It's completely clear, and they put a lot of thought into the idea. So that's one other thing that I'm going to be looking at is how well you came up with your project idea, how clear it was to us, if it was creative and if it was unique. Another thing you're going to be graded on is the final product or outcome of your project, like how it actually turned out. Students were completely able to execute their plan for the project, which you presented, and you were 100% finished and ready to go on your given presentation date. You've had these dates for a week. So please keep in mind that if you have to do it late, it will be a late grade, which means it drops to at least a 75%. That's what you would get if you do it 100% well. And then any points taken off come off of this 75% mark. Okay, so keep that in mind. Try to be ready to go on the date you were given. Actually, you guys kind of chose your date. So I asked you in class, you wanted to do first day, second day, so you all kind of volunteered. So hopefully you're ready to go on the day that you were volunteered for and scheduled for. And then lastly, presentational skills. You need to practice. Practice tonight in your bedroom. Okay, practice in front of mom or dad, legal guardians, grandma, grandpa, siblings, friends, or at least practice in front of your mirror. So students proved they were prepared and confident, and they used professionalism when presenting. Students spoke loudly, clearly, deliberately. You had a lot of energy and enthusiasm for your product, your project, and you had direct eye contact with the audience. That would engage us and also educate us at the same time. So those are your categories: presentational skills, the final product outcome, your development of an idea for your project, and that you knew and understood your theme or topic of the chapter that you had to grab your topic out of. And this, you don't have to spend a lot of time on. Maybe a minute. I would rather hear more about your actual project and your presentation of it and what you learned and what you plan to do with us to show us, whether you're dancing or singing or doing a skit or playing a game with us or whatever it is you've planned for your project. Maybe you made some artwork, some 3D work, whatever it is you've planned. That's what I want you to spend most time presenting to us, so that we learn, but we're engaged in the learning at the same time. Okay, so good luck with it. Have fun with it. Make it good for your skills, your talents, your abilities, so that it works to the best of your ability when you present. So today we get to work. Then you can ask me any questions you might have today, and tomorrow we start watching presentations.